And then I looked out the window and I saw them looking up, and then I noticed the smash, and then that's when we ran.
Oh my god,
I'm
what the
upset.
fuck? Someone's fucking done something weird. Look at that, I can't control it. You know, she's so light. What the fuck? Look shitty drone. I can't control it. Now I can't control it. Now I can't control it. What a